Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I want to say big thank you all of you who supported my previous videos. Your support really motivated me. Yes, I know I was not posting videos for some time. Due to some reasons there was a gap, but I am back again. And this time will try my best to stay consistent and explain every SAP SD topic in simple and practical way. Also, I have started a short series from basic to advanced SAP concept. So don't forget to check those videos. This will help you learn concept quickly and easily. Now, without wasting time, let's move today's topic and we'll continue our master data series. So first we'll see how to create condition records. So to create condition record, T-Code is VK11. As you know, for creation of condition record, T-Code is VK11. For change condition records, T-Code is VK12. And to display condition record, T-Code is VK13. Okay. So first we'll go to the T-Code VK11. Here we need to maintain condition type. I have maintained PR00. Then click on enter. Okay. Here you will see different key combinations. So these key combinations are nothing but the condition tables which decide on which field pricing will be maintained. Okay. Condition tables and condition types are part of the pricing procedure configuration, and I will explain these concepts in detail in pricing procedure topic. So for now we will focus on creation of condition record. So now here we need to select the relevant key combination as per your business requirement. Okay, I will select as a material with release status. Just I will click on continue. Here we need to maintain required fields. I will maintain sales organization, distribution channel. Then here we need to maintain article, and here we need to maintain price. Okay. Once you maintain price, just click on enter. Okay. Also do not forget to check and maintain validity dates, because condition records always work based on validity period. So once all details are maintained, just click on save. Here you can see condition record saved successfully. So condition record plays a very important role in SAP pricing, and understanding them is very important for real-time project work. So in upcoming videos, we will understand pricing procedure and configuration concepts in detail. Thanks for watching video.